Welcome to the Cutting Edge series. This is where we break past the 3-minute barrier to dive deep into workflows that redefine productivity. Today, we're tackling the ultimate bottleneck in character creation, achieving perfectly consistent, multi-angle character sheets fast. The typical process is a nightmare of prompt rejigging, inpainting, and manual corrections. We're throwing that out. We're going from a single image to 8 high-resolution, consistent character angles in under 3 minutes. Before we start, remember our core commitment: 0 paid tools, 0 filler. That's why we always begin with a clean workspace. First, run your ComfyUI updater. Then, navigate to the Advanced folder and run NVIDIA GPU Disable API Nodesbat. This ensures we are running the absolute latest open-source version of ComfyUI, free from any non-free API-based nodes. Also, we do not use any custom nodes in this workflow. In the last episode, we showcased how Alibaba's Z-Image Turbo redefined text-to-image speed. This 6B parameter model, built on the efficient S3-DIT architecture, is engineered for ultra-fast generation, often 8 steps, while pushing photorealism to a level that feels truly less AI, avoiding that typical plastic look. We used it to generate our young Asian woman portrait without preloading any models, and it took a lightning-fast 21.92 seconds. A clean, high-fidelity canvas is the key to consistency. Now for the magic. We're launching the Qwen Image Edit 2509 one-click multiple character angles workflow. When you first load it, you'll see a few missing models. We've embedded a simple note right in the workflow that gives you the exact links for the required Qwen checkpoints and the specific 4-step LoRA adapter. It's a one-click download process to get you compliant with the latest open-source models, keeping everything free. Qwen Image Edit 2509 is the latest iteration of Alibaba's image editing model, and it's a game changer for consistency. Search results confirm it's specifically trained to maintain identity, especially across complex pose transformations and edits. We fed our Z-Image Turbo output into the Qwen Edit workflow, requesting 8 specific camera angles, from a high-angle shot to a side profile, even a low-angle dramatic view. The results speak for themselves: 8 1024 images, all preserving the face and clothing of our original subject with remarkable fidelity, and the total time on an RTX 5080, 164.45 seconds. That's a new workflow efficiency record for a complete character turnaround. But the question is, what is the practical use for this kind of power? This is where the cutting edge meets the creator economy. Stop thinking about single art pieces. Start thinking about datasets. The ability to generate a highly consistent, multi-view character sheet in minutes solves the single biggest hurdle for advanced fine-tuning: LoRA training data. To train a high-quality character, LoRA, you need dozens, sometimes hundreds of images of that subject from varied angles, different lighting, and in different settings. Previously, this meant hours of manual prompting, inpainting, or even commissioning a 3D model. Now, you can use this Qwen workflow to rapidly prototype and create a starter dataset with 8, 16, or 32 hyper-consistent images in mere minutes. This dramatically slashes the time and cost required to prepare your training data. The output from this workflow is essentially a perfect, machine-generated batch of training images, pre-sorted by pose. This isn't just about making cool images. This is about building assets, storyboarding entire scenes with consistent visual development, and ultimately, building the next generation of custom models faster than anyone else. Stop watching. Start creating. The full Qwen Image Edit 2509 workflow JSON and the model download guide are available right now on our Discord. And that's the node, all open source, no filler. Thank you for watching. Grab the file, keep creating.